through a mutual friend, Aisha.
Carry love, to carry children of our own.
She gave him my number, and he took 2 weeks to call me, so he was still for me.
The thing she did that actually made the conversation continue, like from the beginning, was the second I messaged her. I was like, hello, I'm Aisha's friend, etc, etc. And she just said, finally. And it was like, did you just say finally? She said, yes now. She said, yes now. And I found that so funny. And from there, we just continued.
Dancing in the dark, with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you,
We were preparing for his 30th birthday, and his birthday was on a Wednesday, and he was doing a celebration, a big celebration, by the way, at his, would I call it his establishment in Buari, opposite law school, Lovito. I wanted to do a surprise birthday party for him at his house on his birthday. I told the parents about it, that it's not a surprise birthday, but it's just something. Then they said I should come to the house for us to plan some extra things I can do for the birthday. The birthday was just all that was in mind. We went there. I've never gone there before, by the way. So when we're on our way, the corridor, I turned on the light because mommy is taking me there now. So I turned on the light. She was like, no, turn it off. But I didn't know what she was talking about. So when we got to the door, I turned on the other light because another light there. And she was like, no, this is not the way. You turn it like that. Is if it's on, then it's off. So she had to put it back up and tell me that it's on now. So I was like, oh, okay. And then she opened the door, and then I just saw him kneeling down, the flowers, the petals, everything. Okay.
For that second, I was afraid. I was like, this baby's going to tell me no. This guy's going to tell me no. Because honestly, right, I was like, at the point I was like, please just take the ring. Just take the ring.
Even though we may be hopeless, hearts just passing through. Every bone screaming, I don't know what we should do. All I know is, darling, I was made for love.
She's literally a bundle of happiness. Like, even if she's upset, it's second, and she makes you happy. She knows how to make people happy. Like, honestly, I'm 100% happy around her.
First of all, I always say to people, I believe I'm blessed because he's a romantic. This is like a fairy tale because I've always wished for someone that would treat me the way he treats me, show me all the love, all the PDA outside, I love it, and then he cares about me, like he shows me, he puts me first before anything.
She's a wonderful woman. She is. And she's loving, very loving. Such a loving woman.